In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the combat role here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you guys don't know, when you usually do like dive, you're going to do a rolling animation. You can actually turn that off, so it makes it so that you just like dive straight, making it more similar to Call of Duty. You can actually go ahead and do this by going into your options and then going into the gameplay tab over on the left hand sidebar, and from here look specifically for the option that does say roll camera in landing roll. Simply go ahead and just toggle this off just like that. Now when you go back into your game, whenever you dive, you're not going to perform that roll animation, which actually does give you a little bit of an advantage because you can now aim immediately while diving. It's pretty OP. I definitely recommend turning this off, whether or not you do care about it looking similar to Call of Duty, just because of the fact that you do get that advantage gameplay wise. But before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. It really does help with the channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, ask them down below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.